I, Rehana Kasli, representing Bright Star International School, Billimora, would like to explain you the topic problem sums of maths subject. In Mayflower Sem 2 book, page number 81, my topic is problem sums, story sums. First, first we have to do this example sums. Then after we have to start that exercise. First, Raj had 64 pencils. He gave 22 pencils away. How many pencils does Raj have now? Raj had 64 pencils and 22 pencils he gave to others. सो हाउ मैनी पेंसिल विल बी रिमेनिंग? राज के पास 64 पेंसिल है, उसमें से उसने 22 पेंसिल किसी और को दे दी, तो उसके पास अब कितनी पेंसिल रहेगी? मीन्स दिस सम्स इज सब्ट्रैक्शन. He had 64 and that he gave 22 pencil others. Means how many pencil that remaining? First we have to take ones place. Ones place have 4 minus 2. So we have to take 4 finger and that we have to cut 2 fingers. Now we have to take 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these 4 finger 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to cut these 2 fingers. So 1 and 2. So how many remaining? 1 and 2 only. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now tens place have 6 minus 2. So we have to take 6 finger and that we have to cut 2 fingers. Take 6 finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and minus 2. So 1, 2. How many remaining finger? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 fingers will be remaining. So write in here 4. Already here have wrote 64 minus 22. So answer will come 42. So Raj has 42 pencils now. Raj has 42 pencils now. Now next our question is, Jaya had 27 color pencils. Her grandfather gave her 12 more. How many color pencils does Jaya have now? Jaya had 27 color pencils and her grandfather gave 12 more. Means that pencils will be increasing. जया के पास 27 पेंसिल है, उसके ग्रैंडफादर ने उसको 12 और दी, तो उसकी पेंसिल की जो संख्या है, जो नंबर्स है, वो बढ़ गए, ज़्यादा हो जाएगी ना उसके पास पेंसिल. जया है 27 पेंसिल्स and her grandfather gave 12 more. Means that pencils number will be increasing. Means this will be addition sums. So 27 plus 12 is equal to how much? So first we have to take 1's place 7 plus 2. So we have to take 2 finger and count after 7. Take 2 finger 1 and 2. And first our number is 7. So 7 after we have to count 8 and 9. So answer will come 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Now next tens place have 2 and 1. 2 plus 1. So we have to take 1 finger and count after 2. Take 1 finger. 2 after 1 means 3. Next number. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So Jaya has 39 color pencils now. So Jaya has 39 color pencils now. 27. Jaya had pencil, 27 color pencil, and her grandfather gave her 12 more. Means that pencils number will be increasing. So 27 plus 12 is equal to 39. So Jaya has 39 color pencils now. Now our question is, Ravi's grandfather has turned 87 years old today. How old was he 15 years ago? Ravi's grandfather has turned 87 years. Now that age is 87. First we have to tens and ones place we have to do here. 87 that today that age is 87. आज उनकी उम्र कितनी है? 87 है. How old was he 15 years ago? 15 years ago means before that 15 years. Means 15 साल पहले उनकी एज कितनी थी? तो 15 साल पहले उनकी एज 15 years पहले उनकी एज ज़्यादा रहेगी या कम रहेगी? कम रहेगी ना उनकी एज. We today that age is 87 and 15 years before that age will be less. Means that sum is subtracts. आज उनकी एज 87 है. 15 साल यानी 15 years before that age is how much? इस 15 साल पहले 15 years before that age will be decrease. So 87 minus 15. Understood everybody? Ravi's grandfather is today 87 years and 15 years ago means 15 years before means 15 years पहले उनकी एज कितनी थी? यानी उनकी एज कितनी रहेगी? कम रहेगी या ज़्यादा रहेगी? कम रहेगी. आज से 15 साल 15 years पहले उनकी एज कम रहेगी. मीन्स 87 minus 15. So now we have to take first ones place 7 minus 5. So we have to take 7 finger and that we have to cut 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That we have to cut 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many remaining? 2 only remaining. So answer will come 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Now we have to take tens place. Tens place have 8 minus 1. So we have to take 8 fingers and that we have to cut 1 finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That we have to cut this 1 finger. So 1 cut. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer will come 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So 87 minus 15 is equal to 72. So he was 15 years ago. That age is 72. Now next question our Richa has rupees 65. Sita has rupees 23 more than Richa. How much money does Sita have? Richa has rupees 65. So here we have to write, we have to take tens in ones place. Here we have to write 65. Sita has rupees 23 more than Richa. मीन्स सीता के पास रिचा से 23 रुपीज़ ज़्यादा है. मोर देन यानी उसके पास उससे 23 रुपीज़ ज़्यादा है. तो हाउ मच मनी डज सीता हैव? तो सीता के पास उससे ज़्यादा है पैसा, 23 रुपीज़ ज़्यादा मनी है. तो कितना रहेगा? हाउ मच मनी डेट सीता है? तो मनी विल बी इंक्रीजिंग ना. नाउ रिचा हैज़ रुपीज़ 65, सीता हैज़ रुपीज़ 23 मोर देन रिचा. सो हाउ मच मनी डज सीता है? रिचा के पास 65 रुपीज़ है, सीता के पास रिचा से 23 रुपीज़ ज़्यादा है. तो सीता के पास रिचा से पैसे ज़्यादा है यानी money will be increasing. So this sum will be add. So 65 plus 23. So how much money does Sita have? Sita के पास कितना है? That we have to search now. So this sums is add sums, additions. 5 plus 3. So now we have to take 3 fingers. First we have to take ones place. We have to take 5 plus 3. That we have to take 3 fingers and count after 5. Take 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 3. 5 after 6, 7, 8. So now answer will come 8. Now 6 plus 2. So we have to take 2 fingers and count after 6. 1 and 2. Count after 6. 6 after 7, 8. So answer will come 8. 65 plus 23 is equal to answer will come 88. So Sita have how many rupees? 88 rupees now. Sita have 88 rupees now. Now next, Anya has 57 sweets. She gave 10 to her sister. How many sweets does Anya have now? Anya has 57 sweets. Anya has 57 sweets that she gave to 10 her sister. अनिया के पास 57 स्वीट्स है, उसमें से उसने 10 स्वीट्स अपनी सिस्टर को दे दी। तो उसके पास अनिया के पास स्वीट जो है वो ज़्यादा होएगी या कम हो जाएगी? डेट विल बी डिक्रीज ना, कम हो जाएगी ना। सो 57 माइनस 10, subtract 57 minus 10. Anya has 57 sweets and that 10 sweets she gave to her sister. So that sweets will numbers will be decreased. That sweets numbers will be decreasing. So 57 minus 10. So 7 minus 0. 7 minus 0 is equal to answer will come 7 because 0 is nothing. 0 has no value. Now 5 minus 1. We have to take tens place. 5 minus 1. Take 5 finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1. Cut this one. So how many remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer will come 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So now Anya has 47 sweets. Anya has 47 sweets now. Okay. So children, this activity you have to write in your textbook. I will send in PDF file, and this is your worksheet. That page number 84. This worksheet you have to do yourself. Okay. This is your homework. Okay. I will send in PDF file. Thank you. Thank you, children.